Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook trout fish. First, gently rinse your fresh trout fillets under cool water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. Dry fish cooks better and helps achieve that delicious crispy skin. Carefully feel along the fillet for any small pin bones. Use a pair of tweezers to remove them if present. This ensures a pleasant eating experience for everyone. Now, let's infuse some flavor into your trout. Lightly season both sides of each fillet with a pinch of sea salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice really brightens the fish, and a sprig of fresh dill adds a wonderful aromatic touch. For a little extra depth, consider a light sprinkle of garlic powder or a hint of smoked paprika. These simple additions truly elevate the natural taste of trout. For that perfect crispy skin, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a good non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your trout fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Make sure not to overcrowd the skillet, which could steam the fish instead of frying it. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the skin side. Then gently flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until golden. Knowing when your trout is perfectly cooked is key. The flesh should easily flake with a fork at its thickest part, appearing opaque throughout. For food safety, the internal temperature should ideally reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, gently remove the fillets from the pan and let them rest for 1 minute. Serve your beautifully pan-fried trout immediately, perhaps with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.